Let's meet James, a brilliant baker from Wilmington, Delaware, who joined the OTECH business program to better manage and market his famous sweet potato pies. He found not only the skills to level up his business, but also a network of industry experts who cheer him on every step of the way. James, tell us all about it.
Thanks, Alex. What's up, everybody? James here with James Gourmet Pies. When I started my business, I was lost. I knew that we had an amazing product, but the profitability wasn't really matching the hard work. That's when I found OTECH. When I was searching for a school, it was important for me to find great accounting classes, hands-on experience, and tips on social media marketing. Those were my weak points, and OTECH helped turn them into my strengths. When I started school, I didn't have much money. Everything was going back into the business. Literally, I was so dedicated, I would walk 2 miles to school every morning. One of the great things about OTECH is the smaller classes help instructors get to know students personally and to pay attention to details. One of my instructors noticed I was walking to school and shared a campus program that would help pay for public transportation. The business program has completely changed my life and my small business, allowing me to network and make great connections. The classes include real-world scenarios and automated simulations, so you feel like you're working with a real business. I love one-on-one teaching from expert instructors. I also really love that we have gourmet lunches from culinary students and haircuts and manis and pedis from cosmetology students, all at a fraction of what you'd pay downtown. Now that I'm close to graduating, I love sharing my experience with all of my entrepreneurial friends because I understand the importance of mixing real-world information with hands-on education. Now that's a winning recipe. But that's all from me, and back to you, Alex.
Wow, James, what an inspiring story, and I cannot wait to dig into one of your pies. Also, your resilience and dedication combined with the resources provided by instructors and the college are definitely a recipe for success. We can't wait to see what you do next. Take care, James. So good, so good.